As you can see, I just got a payment from Amazon. Amazon.com IN just paid you. So, and if you check the transaction details, as you can see, you received 24.06 USD from Amazon.in. So these are the transaction details. It's $24 and it's from Amazon. So, and if you check this payment very well, I actually receive it not quite long. So in today's video, I'll be telling you exactly how you can actually receive payment from ineligible country. Like if you are from Nigeria, Ghana, India, and different part of the country that Amazon Associate is not allowed. So I'm going to show you the best way to actually receive this payment directly to your bank account. So basically, as you can see, I promoted a lot of products on Amazon. So I do a lot of affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and different kind of side also that actually make me money. So I decided that, instead of me just showing you exactly how I'm actually trading most of the payment I receive from all this platform, so let me quickly show you how you can actually make money online and withdraw it to your local currency, either you are Nigeria, Ghana, or India. So this is the platform which is called Amazon Associate. So in consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can sign up with this particular platform which is called Amazon Associate and start promoting products. But today's is actually focused on how you can actually withdraw the money you made from Amazon Associate directly to your bank account, either Nigeria or any part of the ineligible country, because Amazon is not allowed in most of the country like Nigeria, Ghana, and the rest. So for you to actually withdraw your money out of Amazon Associate after you have made the money, so you have to come to this particular option, then come to account settings. So you have to come to the account settings to actually set up your payment method. So then you have to come to this particular option, which is change payment method. But before you can actually withdraw your money from Amazon Associates, you have to ensure you verify your tax ID, which is, as you can see, it has been complete. So actually, I have not done for Canada, so I've done for USA tax ID before you can actually get paid on Amazon Associates. So if you want me to do tutorial about it, I will definitely do it in the future. So all you have to do is to click on change payment method to actually change your payment method to the one you love. So as you can see, it's going to request for my password, which I'm going to do. So like I'm going to sign in again to show you the simple process to actually receive money from Amazon Associate from ineligible countries like Nigeria and the rest. So they have sent an OTP to my phone number, so I'm going to enter the OTP to ensure I actually show you the step-by-step guide. So I'm still okay. This is the OTP, so I'm going to enter the OTP, so which is 02827. So that is the OTP. I'm going to click on confirm, and it's going to show me the dashboard for me to actually change my payment method. So guys, after I enter my OTP, as you can see, I actually redirect to a page where I can actually add my bank account. So this is my bank account, USA Community Federal Savings Bank, and this is the account number. So now, like, there is the major issue most people face. Like, how do you get this USA bank account to actually receive your payment from Amazon Associates if you are from Nigeria, Ghana, and you are not residing in USA? So this is the simple and the best way to actually do it. So the first method is actually to open an account with transferwise.com or wise.com. So this particular platform is a borderless transaction payment gateway that actually give you a USA bank account to actually receive payment from Amazon or other freelancing platform. So let me show you the account number. So this is the USA account number. So all you have to do is to click on receive. So receive payment, then I'm going to show you my account number. So this is the account number I'm currently using on Amazon Associate to receive this particular payment. So all you have to do is to copy this account number, the HCH, and the account number and the check-in, and actually paste it on your Amazon, so to be able to receive your Amazon payment in anywhere throughout the whole world. So but one of the major issue I observed recently is the fact that if you are opening your TransferWise right now, you won't be able to have this option of a USA bank account. Probably I don't know what happened with Nigeria government and TransferWise, so they are no longer accepting Nigerians again. So the best alternative you actually use right now is to actually come to this particular website, which is called pioneer.com. So pioneer.com is also for a freelancer or you are selling product online. They allow you to actually receive this payment directly from Nigeria. So but the only issue I don't really like using Pioneer is the fact that if whenever you receive a payment and you actually want to transfer it to another user, they are going to charge you $3 for each transaction. So I know like $3 is quite much. And if you want to transfer it to your local bank account, they are going to charge you roughly around $10 for this. Like if you want to do Pioneer to your local bank transfer, they are going to charge you $10. So that is why I actually prefer using Wise, because they have a lot of bank like USA bank account, Australia bank account, Canada bank account, European bank account, like pounds bank account. So they have a lot of bank account I can actually use to receive my payment here in Nigeria. So right now, I believe you have gained a lot of value from this content. So in consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how I'm able to make all this money I showed you. So let's go back to my home page. I'm going to show you how you can promote your product using affiliate marketing, how you can actually make money online. So let me go back to the option. So reports, let me go to reports, any report, to show you some of the payments I've received on Amazon Associates. So as you can see, these are the payments, which is around the $59 with product. A lot of products I promote, and this product I actually use free traffic to actually generate most of these sales. So it's going to be a win-win for me, because I'm actually promoting someone's product and making commission out of it. So you don't really need much experience or much energy to do this. You can actually do it at your leisure time and be able to make money. So if you like this video, ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels, so that I will be able to make more video about making video about Bitcoin and the USDT. So, and also show you some of the way you can make this money and convert it here in Nigeria. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.